How long does it take to really learn how to sew? If you really want to know how long it takes to learn how to sew clothes, stick to this video because today I'll be answering one question every beginner tailor always asks. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah, your tailoring and fashion guide. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like, and share with anybody that is interested in learning how to sew clothes. So today I'll be talking on how long it should take one to learn how to sew. And I know you are waiting to hear 6 months or 1 year, but the truth is that learning sewing can take 1, 2 years. Yes, I said 2 years or even more. But with commitment and practice and how fast you can learn, some people even start sewing neatly within 2 weeks of learning. Another takes like months before they will start sewing neatly. But it should take one at least 3 to 6 months to learn the sewing basics. So what do I mean by basic sewing? I mean matching a straight line, sewing on a straight line, body measurement, and simple garments like shirt and skirt. That within 3 to 6 months you should learn how to do it because they are so basic and so common when it comes to sewing. But if you want to master pattern drafting, fitting, and finishing, that can at least take you 6 to 1 year, depending on how consistent you are. But before thinking about going into pattern drafting and all, you should know the sewing basic like how to take body measurement, how to get your armhole, how to get your neck, how to get your shoulder to nipple and half length. You should know all those ones before you choose to go into pattern drafting because that one is a little bit complicated if you don't know how to get the normal basic sewing. If you want to really speed up your learning, here is my favorite tips. This is what I keep telling people. You must practice daily, even if it's just 30 minutes of your day. Use it and learn something new. Take advantage of YouTube and any other social media that you can learn from. Very important. And my number two advice is start with a simple project. You can start with a skirt, you can start with a shirt, you can even start with a tote bag. Make a tote bag for yourself. Use yourself while you wait for your customer. Use yourself to practice, make clothes for yourself, go to the market, buy fabric, sew for yourself while you wait for customer. And my last advice is learn from a tutor, or you can take a good online class, just like a practical class where you be watching and you be practicing it. Learn online or you learn from a tutor. And most importantly, do not rush. Sewing is a skill, not a race. So learning under a tutor gives you physical correction and hands-on what you are doing, while learning online gives you flexibility. So my best option is for you to combine the two of them. Watch online tutorial at home and practice or ask your question in your physical class. That's asking your tutor the questions, maybe something that you watched online. And if you are consistent in your sewing, believe me, within few months you will start sewing neatly. I mean neat work. Don't compare your speed to anyone else because you and that person is not the same. Some people learn very fast, some learn very slow. What matters is the progress. Are you making any progress? And so mates, don't forget to celebrate your small wins. It's not easy. Every neat stitch, every perfect hem, every finished outfit, those moments build your confidence. Don't forget to celebrate those moments. So there you have it. Learning sewing can at least take 6 to 1 year, depending on how consistent that person is. And if you are thinking about starting, now is the best time. Take it one stitch at a time. So that's all for this video. And if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with somebody that's is interested in learning on how to sew. See you in my next video where I will share how to choose your first sewing project as a beginner. Bye.